Hi y'all. Hey, I've got this cup phone where it fits in your drink compartment in your console in the car, truck, bus, whatever. But I was asked to figure out how to get these off when you don't have that little piece that goes in here. This is a 10 millimeter. Anyway, get that to fit inside that little doodabber thing there. Line it up on the table or whatever, and then push the one you want off. In this case, 2 of them came off. Okay, but let's say you want another one. All right, same thing. Put it in the little doodabby thing. Grab a hold of it. Yeah, I mean, you have to push down pretty hard to get these things off of there. Golly, I can't even grab it. There we go. Got it down. Okay. Now, let's say you took off one too many. Ain't no problem. The nice thing about it, it's easier to go back on than it is to come off. It's on. Take your other one, hold it on there. It's on there. But now it's got this feature to where you undo the bolt on the back, spread it apart. Okay. Now I know everybody just about got a cover, so this will pretty much adjust to all of them. Mine just barely fits. This is a, what the heck is it? This is, I'm pretty sure this is an otter. I don't know. Anyway, okay, get this in there and then snap it in place. Once you get it in there, tighten up the back thing. And then you're set to go. And then you put it in your cup holder in the car, truck, bus, whatever you got. And then, of course, then you can move it around. And I mean, it's not going to sit by itself because it's going to be top heavy. If you got a smaller phone, loosen that up. I mean, even getting this one out is kind of tough. Golly. Okay, there we go. Okay, and then if you got, like I say, a small phone, do the same thing. Scoot it in, tighten it up, put the bolt on back, and you're done. So I think this is a pretty neat little invention. I don't know why I didn't think of it, but yeah, if you lose the little doodad thing that goes in the doodabber, well then this is a 10 millimeter socket, and you can find something else that's doesn't even have to be 10 millimeter. I mean, it could be anything, you know, that'll fit up in that hole that's got a flat surface. Okay, but I hope this helps. Good luck.